Read carefully. If you're holding on to something, Haram, feeling trapped between your desires and your faith, this is for you. Maybe you've tried to let go before. The fear of loneliness keeps pulling you back. You're tired, aren't you? Tired of the guilt, tired of feeling far from Allah. Listen, that pain you feel inside, that's your heart telling you it wants Allah more than this dunya. So today, I'm making this dua for you. I pray Allah gives you the strength to walk away from what displeases Him, even if your heart loves it. I pray Allah makes obedience sweeter than any sin you've tasted. I pray Allah replaces what you let go for His sake with something so beautiful you'll cry in sujud out of gratitude. I pray Allah Him and distances you from those who pull you away. I pray Allah makes your heart so strong in Iman that nothing haram will ever tempt you again. I pray Allah forgives every past mistake and turns it into a reason for Jannah, not Jahannam. If your heart whispered Ameen, take this as your sign. It's time to let go and run back to Allah. He will never disappoint you. And whoever leaves something for the sake of Allah, Allah will replace it with something better. Hadith, trust this promise. It's real. Like if this spoke to your heart, comment Ameen and make this your dua. Share so someone else finds the courage to let go. You don't see this by coincidence. Maybe Allah is telling you, choose me over them. Subscribe at Halal Automation for more Islamic reminders. But the pain, the attachment, surrounds you with people who remind you of I will give you better. Share this.